Right now at 5, the family of a grandmother killed in a vicious dog attack in Pickaway County is calling for justice. This comes as the son and daughter of Joanne Eckelbarger file a wrongful death lawsuit in this case.
We are hearing from them directly for the very first time tonight, and they now say there are more people to blame for her death than the dog owners. ABC6 On Your Side investigator Lisa Rontala asking them now about the dog warden who is still on the job tonight.
Police called to the home of a woman terrified of dogs. Asheville police find 73-year-old grandmother Joanne Eckelbarger last October. She was attacked and dismembered by her neighbor's loose pit bulls.
She did not deserve this. She was tortured and she suffered.
Months later, Joanne's daughter and son sit with their attorney, unable to watch the body-worn camera video capture the day of their mother's death.
That's just a reminder of what happened that day. Just, you know, it's awful. It's reckless. Feel like they were gambling with a lot of people's lives that day, and she was the one that paid the price.
Dog owners Adam Withers and his mother Susan were convicted last month of involuntary manslaughter.
This case involves the most vicious and savage dog mauling in the history of the state of Ohio and perhaps beyond.
This week, attorney Rex Elliott filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the Pickaway County Dog Warden and the Reserve of Ashton Village Condominium Association. The association ordered the removal of dogs Echo and Apollo in December of 2023 for previous attacks and obtained a court order for that removal a month before Joanne's death.
Or should the order have been more specific?
I think the HOA had a responsibility to take that order to law enforcement and get those dogs out of there.
Regarding dog warden Preston Schumacher,
Asheville police came out to us and gave us their condolences. Dog warden, we didn't hear from him, and I haven't talked to him once.
I investigated this call to the Withers home 3 weeks before the deadly attack. Both Echo and dangerous dog Apollo were loose and couldn't move.
I don't know what you want me to do. Y'all won't come out.
Officers believe both dogs were exposed to Withers cocaine, which experts say gave the warden a right to seize the dogs.
Get over it, bye-bye.
Instead, police carried Apollo back to Withers' condo themselves.
You come across a scene where the dog owner and the dogs are under the influence of cocaine, and yet nobody is responsible enough to get those dogs out of that community.
At this point,
You get up every morning and she's not there.
the county administrator tells me no reprimands have been added to the dog warden's personnel file, and he remains on the job.
The fact that he has a spotless record even after this event happens, well, I'm pretty upset about that, actually.
On your side, I'm investigator Lisa Rontala.
Joanne Eckelbarger was attacked in front of her husband, who was in a wheelchair at the time and suffered dementia. After her death, her kids say his health has declined and he's currently in hospice care.